Have you been working out consistently but are still not losing weight? Eating healthy but still can't lose those bulging bellies? You're probably not eating the right foods. You might have heard about the keto diet before. The keto diet can help you lose weight fast and effectively. Yes, I've tried it myself, and the results are amazing. For a simple definition, a ketogenic diet, or in short, keto, is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet. It is not only for managing weight but also for managing certain medical conditions and improving overall health. How to follow a keto diet. Some sources say that your carb intake should not exceed 20 grams per day. Others say 20 to 50 grams per day for the keto diet. But what I recommend, when you are just starting, is to not focus on counting this. Instead, start limiting your rice and bread intake for the day and continue this for a week. Continue reducing these carb foods until your body adapts. Soon, you will only be consuming probably less than 50 grams of carbs per day. The difficult part of doing this diet is being consistent, and I am guilty of it. I've made a video with the list of 13 zero-carb foods to eat to lose weight. Make sure to check them out after this. In this video, we will only be focusing on fruits. Maybe you love eating fruits and you buy them all the time, but then you decide to take a step back just 'cause you're gaining weight. Number 1. Lemons. Number 2. Coconut. Number 3. Kiwi. Number 4. Apricots. Number 5. Peaches. Number 6. Honeydew melon. Number 7. Cantaloupe. Number 8. Watermelon. Number 9. Unsweetened cranberries. Number 10. Blueberries. Number 11. Strawberries. Number 12. Raspberries. Number 13. Number 14. Avocados. With its healthy fat content, this should be in your keto food list. Raw or cooked, blend it, then drink it. This is perfect for keto diet. Number 15. Tomato. Not only keto-friendly but also contains powerful antioxidant and good for immune system. Are you enjoying the video? Make sure you are already subscribed on this channel. These values are approximate and may vary slightly depending on factors such as ripeness and growing conditions. Also, if you want to check out the video I made, 13 zero-carb foods to eat to lose weight, then make sure to click this, and I will see you there.